Bosilika. Stability man. Aku ya na-enwusi kwa.
My people, you need to hear this inspiring story that has everyone talking in Ebonyi State and even around Southeast. Meet Chinedu Nwali, a brilliant SS1 student who did something very, very extraordinary. This young lad designed a prototype of a rain oil fuel station. Yes, and this wasn't just some school project. It was impressive. He did it out of his own free will and during his leisure. And like I said, it was not just some school project. It was impressive enough to catch the attention of Dr. Gabriel Ogbechie, the billionaire founder of Rain Oil. And guess what happened after next? Dr. Ogbechie did not just clap and say, "Well done," like others will. He gifted Chinedu 5 million naira in cash and awarded him a full scholarship from SS1, which is his current class, to university level. If you ask me, this is really, really interesting and massive. Now that's how you reward genius and inspire a generation. But this story did not just shine the spotlight on Chinedu. He also put the curtain back on a man many Nigerians are just now getting to know. So the question people are asking, who really is this man? Who really is Dr. Gabriel Ogbechie? Well, let us break it down.
When I saw, and then of course, he went, to say that he went viral is an understatement. This thing traveled all over the world. More than 50 different people forwarded it to me. It's like, GMB, have you seen this? GMB, have you seen this? So I said, we must find this talent. We must find him. So I gave my regional managers in the East a marching order. Go and look for this young man. He said on the video that his name is Chinedu Nwali, he's from Ebonyi State. I said, well, that means it is those who work for Rain Oil in the East, from Onitsha to Abakaliki, Enugu, they are the ones who have to go and look for him, even if they have to go to Ebonyi State. Like the area manager Southeast was saying, I had my doubts when 3 days afterwards they are not giving me any word that they have found him. I was happy when he said, you know, they went the social media way. Social media will amplify it, but social media will not find him. How many of you here agree with me?
Yeah.
Social media will amplify it. Social media will not find it, because social media are people who are very comfortable on their phones and they are forwarding and forwarding. But to find him, somebody has to move. Somebody has to get into the street. Somebody has to go and look for somebody. And I'm happy that today they not only found him. You know, when they found him, they took picture with him.
This is a man who has quietly built one of Nigeria's largest indigenous oil and gas companies, Rain Oil Group. And the key word there is quietly. He's one of those silent billionaires who have been making serious moves without being loud about it. Born in 1966, Dr. Ogbechie hails from Udumije Ugboko in Delta State. He didn't just grow up with a silver spoon, far from it. He was the fifth of 6 children from an average Nigerian home. He attended Queen of the Niger Primary School in Onitsha and then St. Patrick's College in Asaba before studying production engineering at the University of Benin. But wait, his journey did not just stop there. This man went on to sharpen his business skills at the Lagos Business School and later the Harvard Business School in the US. You can already tell this guy is not here to play. In 1997, Dr. Ogbechie founded Rain Oil Limited. From one vision to today's reality, Rain Oil now owns 3 massive petroleum storage depots in Delta, Cross River, and Lagos State. Each depot holds 50 million liters of fuel. He also runs over 200 retail fuel stations and LPG plants across Nigeria and owns 400 plus tank trucks to distribute products across the country. That's not just a business, that's a full-scale national supply chain. And did I mention that Rain Oil also supports sports in Nigeria? The Rain Oil Tennis Open is now a major event of the national tennis calendar, encouraging local talent to rise and shine. And in 2021, he made another power move. Through his other company, Pretine Limited, Dr. Ogbechie acquired a controlling stake in Eternal PLC, a publicly listed oil firm in Nigeria. But beyond the boardroom is a man with a big heart. Through the Gabriel Ogbechie Foundation, he's provided scholarships, healthcare outreach, and youth employment programs across Delta states. And when COVID-19 hit Nigeria hard in 2020, he did not just sit and watch. He donated ambulances and medical supplies to help the fight. And in 2018, he was named Downstream Man of the Year. In 2022, he received one of Nigeria's highest national honors, Officer of the Order of the Niger, OON, for his contributions to national development. He's a husband, father of 3, and fun fact, a passionate lawn tennis player. So next time you drive into a Rain Oil station, remember, it all started with one man's vision and hard work. And now, that same man is investing in the next generation, recognizing raw talent in a young SS1 students from Ebonyi State and saying, you matter. Your ideas matter. We need more leaders like Dr. Gabriel Ogbechie in Nigeria, the kind that build and give back without making noise. Let's celebrate both Chinedu Nwali and Dr. Ogbechie for reminding us that with the right support, dreams can take off. What do you all think about this story? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to always like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories just like